Today for this episode, everyone, I have a very unique product to share with you all to review. This is the Rakaia Yekka sleeping pad, and hopefully I said the brand correctly. But yeah, this is a very unique product, and what makes it so special is that it's a dual chamber sleeping pad. You may be thinking to yourself, what does that mean exactly? And I'm happy to explain. In its essence, this sleeping pad has two air chambers. You can only inflate one at a time, but let's say that you get a puncture on one side and the sleeping pad is leaking air. You can inflate the other side and continue to use it. That is the selling point for this sleeping pad. This is not a feature that I've seen on any other sleeping pad, and without a doubt, it is unique. But the question becomes, is it something that you truly need? In this episode, I will share my thoughts on this and more. So with that being said, let's jump to the review now. So this is the sleeping pad here in its storage bag, and this is what you receive if you happen to purchase one of these. You get the sleeping pad, numerous repair kits, just in case you do get a leak, 3 patches to be exact. You receive some instructions, an advertisement of other products, and information about the lifetime warranty. So taking a look at the pad, we'll start with the black side. You have the inflation valve up at the top. Flipping it over, you basically have the same thing. Here's the inflation valve and also the way that you release the air. In this position here, the air will freely come out. You close it up, pull here, and you have the inflation valve. There's a stopper in here so that you can blow into it, you can stop, take a break, and come back to it without all the air escaping. And you have the same valve on the other side of the sleeping pad. I'm going to inflate the sleeping pad now on the blue side. I'm going to leave the valve open on the black side to show you all that there are 2 air chambers. At the same time, I will be counting how many breaths it takes to inflate the pad. While inflating, one thing that I would like for you to pay attention to is how much this pad shrinks. The claimed weight of the sleeping pad is 19 ounces. On my scale, it came in at 19.6 ounces. The company states that it has an R value of 2.5, and with the dimensions, I will talk about those in just a minute. With the pack size, it is 8.5 by 4 inches. With the fabric, you're looking at a 20 D nylon on both sides. 8 breaths. And as you can see there, this pad has shriveled up, lengthwise and also widthwise. So the pad's fully inflated. Flipping this over, you can see that the air valve is open, and I can stick my finger inside of this sleeping pad. Now, of course, you could sleep on this either way, it doesn't matter. But for the sake of this video, we'll focus on the blue side so you all can see it clearly. So the pad has been inflated. Let's go ahead and talk about dimensions here for a second. Now, what the company claims and what is reality are 2 different things, unfortunately. The company states that it has a length of 76.3 inches. With my measurements, it's 73. The company claims that it has a width of 25.1 inches. With my measurements, it's 23. The company also claims that the pad has a thickness of 2 inches. And again, we have discrepancies at 1.5 inches of thickness. So we've taken a look at the pad, we've gone over the stats. Let's jump to the review, starting with the pros. First off, when it comes to weight, it's fairly lightweight. There are, without a doubt, heavier sleeping pads out on the market. This one here is very easy to inflate with roughly 8 breaths. There is a lifetime warranty, and according to the company, there's no questions asked. That's pretty impressive. The valves themselves are of a good quality. It's easy to inflate and to release the air. Next up, the dual chambers does provide some additional protection. If you get a leak on one side, you do have the other side to fall back on. And that's because these dual chambers are separate from each other. There is a divider in the center of this pad. And moving on to my next point, that is price. The price on Amazon at the time of filming is $35, and $35 for a sleeping pad is not a bad price. The retail price, in my opinion, is a negative, and I will come back to that in just a minute. With my months and months of testing, I've had no issues from this sleeping pad. No leaks, nothing like that. I can tell you that each of the chambers do their job. You can inflate one or the other, and as you can see here, the valve is completely open. I could stick my finger inside of this and air is not escaping. Speaking of my use, I've used this for backpacking, multi-day. I've used this for car camping, in the truck, and again, I've had no issues. Lastly, when it comes to the pros, there is a repair kit included with this sleeping pad. Switching over to the cons now, we have to talk about comfort, and this is an area which I've had issues with when it comes to this pad. It is not as thick, it's not as wide, and it's not as long as the company states. And to put it simply, it's not that comfortable. I'm sitting on it now and my butt is going right into the ground. I can feel everything underneath this pad. To be lifted off of the ground, to not feel it at all, your entire body, all of your weight has to be on this sleeping pad. Otherwise, your hips, your shoulders, your bones will push right into the dirt. Because of this, if you're someone who tosses and turns all night long, I do not recommend this pad because you will wake up, you will be uncomfortable momentarily as you roll around and switch positions. Height-wise, if you're over 6 feet, I don't recommend this. If you're under 6 feet, I think it'll work for you, as long as you're not very wide. As you can see here, my shoulders are basically at the ends of this pad, and I'm a small individual. So if you're a bigger dude, a bigger gal, this is not going to work very well for you. Next up, folks, if you're a light sleeper and noises wake you up, stay far, far away from this pad. It is super, super loud. In fact, it is one of the loudest sleeping pads I've ever laid on. The next con for this sleeping pad is the full retail price. $87 for this pad is a lot of money, especially when you consider how comfortable it is. On a scale of comfort, I would give this a 6 out of 10. Without a doubt, I've laid on much more comfortable pads than this one. Don't get me wrong, it's not the most uncomfortable sleeping pad of all time. It's more comfortable than a closed cell foam pad. But as far as air mats go, this one's right in the middle in terms of comfort. Next, folks, we have to talk about the dual chamber design. How realistic, how important is this? Over the last 15 years, I've had two sleeping pads fail me. One company, they went out of business, and the other was a product from SnugPack. And that's after testing dozens of sleeping pads. After using sleeping pads in every condition you can imagine, coastal areas, in the mountains, in the desert, everywhere. And because of those personal experiences of mine, for myself, I could say that the dual chamber design isn't all that important to me. I have to admit, I'm curious to know what the weight of this pad would be without the dual chamber. Just one chamber design, one valve, get rid of all the material on one side. What would the weight be? Talking about the dual chambers, I think it's unfortunate that you can't inflate both chambers at the same time. Imagine if you had two chambers that could be inflated at the same time. 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, that would give you 3 inches of cushion. That would be something special, in my opinion. That would be something truly unique and also beneficial. You have 3 inches of cushion, and if you happen to get a leak, you have 1.5 to get you through your trip. That would be very, very interesting. The last thing that I have to talk about when it comes to the sleeping pad is that when I was getting all of my information ready to film this review, I was getting the price off of Amazon, I couldn't help but notice the Amazon reviews. They are 5 stars, they are glowing, and while some people may love this product and want to give it 5 stars, there was a common trait to those reviews that I picked up upon. A lot of the reviews on Amazon mention the company's former name, TNH. The company had to change their name due to issues with the North Face, from what I understand. And it surprised me at how many of the reviews mentioned the old name. Just about every single review mentions the former company. So I went to a website that analyzes Amazon reviews, and what I found was not surprising because we see this happening with so many companies. According to the analysis, only 11.4% of the reviews on Amazon are legit. This product received an F rating for deception. While of course I can't be certain about anything, I can tell you that there are noticeable issues with most of the reviews on Amazon. In my opinion, this is not a 5-star product. Out of 5 stars, I would give this a 3 for $35. Without a doubt, this pad does give you protection which other sleeping pads do not. But the level of comfort for this pad simply isn't as high, isn't as good. Taking the potentially fake reviews off the table and speaking of this product merely on its own merits, if you need a sleeping pad that offers you an additional level of protection, this is one to consider. In fact, it might be the only one to consider because I've never seen a design like this before. For $35, it's not the worst sleeping pad out on the market, not by any means. And for my review, folks, that pretty much wraps it up. Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts. What are your experiences with this company? And if you happen to have this sleeping pad, what are your experiences with it? Is a dual chamber sleeping pad a game changer? In my opinion, it's not. If you can inflate both chambers and really get some nice separation between you and the ground, that would be something. But with only 1.5 inches and its limited dimensions, in my opinion, it falls short. But I have to say, I do like their lifetime warranty. That is pretty awesome. That's my review, everyone. Take care, strength and honor. I will see you all around.